I do want to mention, if you will never get the cap on unless you put that spring down inside the barrel. And the easiest way to do it is, once you got the spring back in the barrel, is just hit it on the piece of wood. And now you can see that the spring is down in the barrel enough that I should be able to put the cap on. I also want to mention, if y'all have a problem with my instructional videos, this is who you need to blame. You need to blame the teacher, not the student. This is Bruce Rasmuth, a general clock repair that I purchased in 1999. And this is where I get most of my information. For the most part, I do exactly what he does in his videos. So again, if you have a problem with my videos, blame him. He's my teacher. He's my mentor. He's how I learned, by watching this VHS tape over and over and over again. We didn't have YouTube videos and Facebook groups back then. This is how I learned. Am I a pro? No, but I know enough to explain to people what they need to learn. Again, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.